Hi, my name is Audra Platt, and I am an attorney here at Pittman Law Office, and today I'm going to talk about durable power of attorneys. So if you were with me in the previous weeks, we discussed your healthcare documents. We talked about a living will, a designation of healthcare surrogate, and a DNR that comes from your doctor. So today we are going to finish up Elder Abuse Awareness Month, the month of June, with a discussion on the power of attorney. We have lots of clients that come in and say, I'm not ready to sign a power of attorney. Unfortunately, generally, when you're ready to sign a power of attorney, it's too late for you to sign a power of attorney. So a power of attorney that we do becomes effective the day that you sign it. That means that it starts working the day that you sign it. So it is very important that when you are thinking of a power of attorney and you're thinking of your administrators that you have listed to who's going to act for you, don't just nonchalantly pick the oldest kid or the oldest niece or nephew. You want to make sure that you really think about the administrator that you put in this role, because it is going to be a very heavy responsibility. They're going to have to pay your bills if needed, file tax returns, open your mail, get your mail forwarded, make sure that there's no fraudulent charges on your credit card, make sure that you are taken care of. So this is a big deal. We got to make sure that they can take care of their own finances so they can take care of yours. If they can't take care of their own, then they definitely can't take care of yours on top of theirs. So ensuring that you choose someone that is responsible to take care of your financial affairs. Most of the time when people think about power of attorney is they're thinking about writing checks and paying bills. Yes, your power of attorney can do that. But also your power of attorney can make basically any decisions that doesn't deal with medical. So they can call the utilities, get your utilities shut off, or maybe call the phone company to get your phone shut off, or sell your house, or call the credit card to say fraudulent charge. Right? So this is a huge, broad document. Really, the main two things that your power of attorney agent cannot do is sign a will and legally vote. So you got to make sure that when you're choosing these people, you want your most responsible person up top. And then we usually at least want to have two backups, just in case the people that you have listed can't do it or don't want to. Maybe it's too much of a burden on them. So we definitely want to have some backup advocates there for you. Also, in this role, this power of attorney, you don't want them to come into this role blindly. You want to make sure that they know that they're in charge if something happens to you, and you also want to make sure that they know where to start. Have a list of all of your expenses. Have a list of all of your financial accounts. I'm not saying that you have to give it to them beforehand, but you got to make sure that you have it written down somewhere where they can go in your house and say, okay, this is my playbook. This is where I'm starting. So make sure that you communicate those things to your agent before you need it, because again, sometimes it's too late once it's needed. Now, the power of attorney dies with you. So sometimes that's a very important fact that gets forgotten, but the power of attorney lives with you when you sign it, lives with you through incapacity, but dies with you when you pass away. At that point, your agents will be relying on the beneficiaries that you have on your bank accounts, or the last will and testament, or the revocable trust. So if you have more questions about a power of attorney, or maybe fitting this into an estate plan for yourself, give us a call. Our number is 352-399-6944, and my name is Audra. Thank you.